I just love our state's marine highway system. We're blessed with the Washington State Ferries. They carry millions of people every year back and forth across Puget Sound, and they serve almost every county in western Washington. For some people, the ferry system is just a way to get to work. For others, it's a place to bring their cousins from out of town who are visiting and want to show them something beautiful here in Washington State. For some, it's a lifeline to medical services off their island or needed hospital visit. The history of the ferry system is varied. There was a wide variety of vessels, private competitors, serving different routes up and down Puget Sound. When the state bought the system in the 1950s, they found themselves with an assortment of old boats from diesels all the way back to steam. Now we have modern, efficient new ferries being constructed for the benefit of our citizens. Sometimes I hear complaints about the ferry system. Maybe a boat's not on time or it was overloaded, but you never hear a complaint when the boat has to wait for an ambulance from one of the distant islands. Everyone knows that they could be the one in the back of that ambulance someday. Washington State Ferries are truly one of my favorite places.
Support for My Favorite Places is provided by the Washington Hospitality Association and by Weatherly Inn, Senior Living, where it's home and your family.